Egg words, page 1. These are all what you might call doing words. Ag obair, working. Ag léamh, reading. Ag cócaireacht, cooking. Present tense, cad atá á dhéanamh agat, cad atá ar siúl agat. What are you doing? The answer would be tá mé ag obair, I'm working. Tá mé ag léamh, I'm reading. If you're asking somebody what were they doing, as in the past tense, cad a bhí á dhéanamh agat, cad a bhí ar siúl agat. The question is the same when we use bhí instead of tá. The answer, bhí mé ag obair, I was working. Play and pause this video as you move down through the page. You must get out of your seats and do the actions and say the words out loud. Ag cócaireacht, ag cuine, ag scotáil, ag cuidiú le, ag caitheamh, ag smaoineamh. Ag marcaíocht, ag ruthaíocht, ag bualadh le, ag luasca, ag bualadh bus, ag cór. Ag éisteacht le, ag crochadh éadaí, ag fanacht, ag féacant ag gléach, ag gaiire. Ag cór fola, ag fágáil, ag caint, ag glanadh, ag obair, ag téad léamnach. Ag suagra, ag léamh, ag rith, ag scríobh, ag siúl, ag rásaíocht, ag rinca or ag domsa, ag titim. Ag tafan, ag iascaireacht, ag trid, ag séadú, ag sí, ag pléicíocht, ag tógant, ag caná. You also have these words as part of your pronunciation test on Friday, so take real pride in your pronunciations. You must say the words out loud, get up out of your seats and do the actions, and write the words out each night, and you'll do very well in your test on Friday. You'll also learn the spellings without even trying, because when you write out the words, you'll know by looking at it if it looks right or not. So write out the words each night.